Hey y'all, today we are doing a review of the Revolution Pro New Neutral Concealer. I seen this on Ulta, I believe it was $9, and they just recently got Revolution Pro, so I was super excited because I love a lot of Revolution products. So if you guys want to see how this concealer works and if I like it, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell, and let's get into it. There's a fly. There's a fly right here. Yes, it's wonderful. It's not wonderful. So, this is, I don't know because I just threw that. And I have my air conditioner on. Might want to turn that off. This is the Revolution Pro. What's all? New Neutral Brightening and Tightening Illuminating Concealer. So, this is a clicky pen. So I have used this. I don't know why I'm saying so much, but I have used this, and there's a click. Okay, and then you like wait and wait and wait. Another click. Nothing. Okay, I've used this 3 times and I'll tell you what has happened to me every single time. Oh, there's a click. Watch this. And it drips out. There it is. Great. Try to put this on the under eye because it's literally like a water coming out. And you guys seen it completely drop out like it's too liquidy for a pen. And you have to give it like a few clicks. One click does absolutely nothing. And there's only 3 shades. I got the darkest one. And it works. Like, it absolutely works. But, like, this is the worst that I've ever tried. Ever. So, I'm going to use my dry, dirty sponge and blend this out. I have used a sponge and a brush. And the coverage isn't really that different with either of them. So where I had the sponge in front of me, that's just what I grabbed. So here's what it looks like. It's super easy to blend out. And I think it looks really good on the under eye area. But this applicator is awful. And on top of that, they only have 3 shades. So you're sitting here like, and don't get me wrong, it is so light coverage that it's pretty forgiving. Like for someone who's darker than me who has deep skin, it'll be brightening on them. It looks really good. It doesn't settle into fine lines. Like the formula is not bad and it's very runny, very liquidy. So I totally get that. But man, they should have just put it with a regular doe foot. But I'm gonna finish this up and then we'll be back to finish talking about this. Alright guys, this is our finished look, and this is kind of a 50-50 for me. I really like the way that it looks. I like using it, I do. The finished look I get is really good, especially on more natural days. This looks beautiful, but the packaging is so bad that I will not recommend it to you guys, along with the fact that there's only 3 shades. I think that's pretty flexible there, but it's the packaging. I cannot recommend this to you all, knowing that it's probably gonna be dripping out all over the place. So my favorite concealer still is the e.l.f. Camo. That is a lot more full coverage than this type of product, but just put a dot on, sheer it out. That's what I would recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.